How do you take Mylanta 1? If you are taking the chewable tablets, chew thoroughly before swallowing, then drink a full glass of water 8 ounces or 240 milliliters. If you are using the liquid form of this medication, shake the bottle well before pouring each dose. Refrigerating the suspension may improve the flavor. Uses. This medication is used to treat the symptoms of too much stomach acid such as stomach upset, heartburn, and acid indigestion. Aluminum and magnesium antacids work quickly to lower the acid in the stomach. Liquid antacids usually work faster, better than tablets or capsules. This medication works only on existing acid in the stomach. It does not prevent acid production. It may be used alone or with other medications that lower acid production, including H2 blockers such as cimetidine, ranitidine, and proton pump inhibitors such as omeprazole.